Good morning, everyone. Today, we are starting an exciting journey into the world of STEM. Does anyone know what STEM stands for?
Is it science, technology, engineering, and mathematics?
That's right. STEM is like a special toolbox that helps us understand and solve all sorts of real-world problems. Think of it as having a superpower to explore, discover, and make things better.
STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Each of these fields plays a crucial role in our understanding of the world and solving problems.
Why do you think STEM is so important?
Maybe because it helps us invent things and solve problems.
Exactly. Scientists, who are like super detectives, use science to understand how things work. Engineers, the builders and problem solvers, create amazing stuff. Technologists, the tech wizards, play with gadgets and computers, making our lives easier. And mathematicians? They're like puzzle masters, solving mysteries with numbers. Together, they make our world awesome.
STEM professionals work together to improve our world. Scientists explore and discover, engineers build and solve, technologists innovate, and mathematicians analyze and calculate.
How do you think they make our lives better?
By creating new technologies and solving big problems.
Yes. And STEM is all around us, every single day. From the video games we play to the cars we ride in, and even the playground equipment we enjoy, it's all thanks to STEM. Now, it's your turn to be a STEM explorer. This means asking questions, looking closely at things, and being curious. Are you ready to think like a scientist, technologist, engineer, or mathematician?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great! Let's start with science and STEM. Science helps us explore, discover, and understand the natural world. When scientists team up with technologists, engineers, and mathematicians, they create amazing things. Imagine a mission to Mars. Scientists study the planet's atmosphere. Engineers design the spacecraft. Technologists create the computer systems. Mathematicians calculate the perfect route. That's how science collaborates with other STEM fields.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
It is. Now, let's talk about technology in STEM. Imagine you want to communicate with friends far away. Technologists create devices like phones and computers to help us talk and share pictures, no matter the distance. Technologists also help scientists, engineers, and mathematicians by providing the tools they need. For example, engineers use technology to design and build things, and scientists use tools to make discoveries.
So, technology makes everything possible.
Exactly. Now, let's look at engineering in STEM. Engineers design and build everything from skyscrapers to toys. They tackle big problems and find clever solutions. How do you think they work with other STEM fields?
Maybe by using science and math.
Yes, engineers use science to understand problems and math to calculate solutions. They also rely on technology to create and test their designs. It's a team effort. Finally, let's see how mathematics fits into STEM. Math is the secret language that helps all the STEM fields communicate and work together. From building rockets to designing video games, math is essential. It helps ensure bridges won't fall and allows scientists to analyze data. Technologists use it to create amazing digital worlds. It's like being a mathematical magician.
Math really is everywhere in STEM.
Yes, it is. STEM is a giant playground filled with opportunities to learn, create, and make a difference. Whether you're passionate about saving the environment, inventing new technologies, or discovering the mysteries of the universe, STEM has something for everyone.
STEM offers endless possibilities. It empowers us to explore, discover, and innovate. Whether curing diseases, exploring space, or creating new technologies, the sky's the limit.